Gainesville is worried about the future of Social Security. TV20's Emma Delamo introduces us to a resident who tells us how these benefits impact her.
Standing outside the U.S. Social Security Administration, a group in support of Social Security and Medicare wants their voices to be heard.
These are great American programs that help a lot of people, senior citizens not only, but also the disabled, other people.
Mary Savage volunteers with the National Committee to Preserve Social Security and Medicare. The group is celebrating Franklin D. Roosevelt signing the Social Security bill into law back in 1935. Data released by the Social Security Administration says nearly 9 out of 10 people 65 and older received a Social Security benefit last year. Karen Eppel is also a group member. She says the government program allowed her to retire during the pandemic.
It would be very difficult for me to continue to work. I have some health problems that would make that very difficult. I would probably be living with one of my children, and my husband and myself would probably be living with one of them now because we couldn't afford to live independently as we are now.
In February, Senator Rick Scott proposed a plan to end all federal legislation every 5 years. Any laws worth keeping would be repassed by Congress. Scott then revised this plan, stating it was never intended to apply to Social Security and Medicare. Savage says these benefits are the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow when it comes to retirement.
We want to preserve them. We don't want to have these great programs like privatized.
The group also brought food to donate to the Alachua County Senior Services Food Pantry. Reporting in Gainesville, Emma Delamo, TV20 News.